Kedarkantha, the most popular winter track in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. It is a track which has everything to offer like dense forest, snow-covered trails, frozen lake and a Himalayan summit at an elevation of 3,800 meters above sea level. This track will give you a memorable experience of climbing a Himalayan peak, ideal for beginners as well as experienced trackers. The Searching Souls provide a hand-picked itinerary which is most suitable for this track. You will start your journey from Prince Chowk, which is 200 meters from the railway station in Dehradun at 7 am. The Searching Souls representative will be there to coordinate your pickup, and then you begin your journey towards Sankari, which is 196 kilometers drive and takes approximately 10 hours, in which you will be passing some beautiful places like Mussoorie, Kempty Fall, Yamuna Bridge and many more. You will be arriving at our Sankari guest house by the evening and a small introduction and briefing session will be done.
किसी ने NIM का नाम सुना है, नेहरू इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ माउंटेनिंग, ठीक है, मैं वहाँ से कोर्स क्वालिफाइड हूँ, जो कि एशिया का नंबर 1 इंस्टीट्यूट है. मैं 7 साल में माउंटेन लाइन में कोर्स किए हुए हूँ.
Rental gears are also available at our guest house according to your requirement. Next day you begin your trek from Sankari after breakfast. Today you will be trekking for 3.5 kilometers to reach the Judaka Talab campsite. This day is very scenic and in most of the winter days you will be able to find snow from this day onwards. You will be trekking through dense forest today and will be reaching the campsite around lunch. The Searching Souls campsite is well equipped with medical tents which has oxygen cylinder, oximeter, stretcher, basic first aid, oxycans and rope. This day is essential for acclimatization as you will be gaining almost 800 meters of elevation in next 2 days. You will be served with delicious and nutritious dinner around 7:30 and we will call it a day. On the third day, you will be trekking from Judaka Talab to Kedarkantha base camp. The trails today is of 3 kilometers which is mostly covered with snow. The first half is a bit steep and challenging. After 3 to 4 hours of trekking, you will reach the base camp and will be served hot lunch.
Base camp! Yes!
And from there, you will have a clear view of the Kedarkantha peak, which will take your breath away. In the evening, you will go for the acclimatization walk and return before sunset, and dinner will be served by 7. Fourth day is the summit day, for which we all are here. We will be leaving the base camp by 3 in the morning. Make sure you have a head torch, water bottle and a small day bag for the packed lunch. Searching Souls will provide you gaiters and micro spikes for a smooth ascent summit.
ये स्पाइक्स है, ठीक है, ये आपको जब जहाँ से स्नो मिलेगा ना वहाँ पे मिलेगा, इससे आपका ग्रिप अच्छा बनेगा, ठीक है. इसको यूज़ ऐसे होगा, जो ये वाला पार्ट है ना, जो ये वाला हम्प है, ये बैक साइड में आएगा, ठीक है.
This is the most challenging day of the track, but the rewards are equally worthy. The sunrise from the Kedarkantha summit will be the most beautiful sunrise of your life, and the climb to the summit will be the most adventurous experience. The track leaders from the Searching Souls are qualified from prestigious institutions like Nehru Institute of Mountaineering and Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. You will be witnessing some Himalayan peaks like Bandar Pooch, Swargarohini and Kalanak. After spending some time and taking pictures at summit, we will be heading back towards Hargaon campsite. On the 5th day, we trek down to Sankari and reach by 12 noon. After the lunch, we leave for Dehradun. The estimated time for the arrival is 10 pm. If you have any query regarding Kedarkantha track, you can visit our website www.thesearchingsouls.com or you can call on the given number. Thank you.
And the Searching Souls has given the best of experience.
The fleece and the jacket which were warmer, I don't think we could need anything else.
खाना तो बहुत बढ़िया था.
It's very supportive.
ट्रैक लीडर्स भी बहुत अच्छे थे.
अमेजिंग.
बहुत ही बढ़िया खाना बनाती है.
5 स्टार पे खाना.
द सर्चिंग सोल्स का मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छा था.
It's really amazing.
हेल्पफुल नेचर है सबका. स्वीट डिश मिलती थी जो मैंने आज तक 3 ट्रैक में कभी नहीं खाई. कि अगर आपको ट्रैकिंग स्टार्ट करना है देन यू शुड गो विद TSS बिकॉज
they gave me that confidence.